Hey, it's Money Sloth, and in this video I'll answer the question, what is a market order on Webull? A market order is the simplest kind of order. It is a request to buy or sell a security at the best available price in the current market. You would want to choose a market order when you want your order to be executed as fast as possible. The advantage of choosing a market order is it will usually get filled almost instantly. The disadvantage of choosing a market order is that it is only available during trading hours, and you cannot control exactly what price you will get, because in the time it takes you to push the button and the order is filled, the price might have moved. Here is an example of a market order on Webull. If I start from the home page, I can go up to the trade button at the top, and that will take me over to a chart. And this chart is showing Torchlight. If I look at Torchlight, I see the price has come down a lot, and it looks like it is approaching some sort of level, a support level down here, where I think it might stop and then bounce back up. So if I want to do a buy order, I can come down to this section, and I see the bid price is $2.32. This is the current lowest price someone is willing to sell Torchlight. So I'll click buy, and then for order type I'll choose market, and for quantity I'll just choose 1 share, and then I will have to unlock this by entering my passcode. And then when I'm ready, I will place the order, and it should be filled immediately at a price close to $2.32. So let's pretend like I was correct and the price does stop and bounce back up. Well, if I decide to sell in that same day, I would go back and I would now push the sell button, and then I would come down to place order, and that would execute immediately at whatever the ask price was or close to it. And that's how you do a day trade. When you buy and you sell the same security in the same day, it counts as one trade. Alright, thanks for watching and good luck.